Hi everyone, today I'll be making watermelon cold press soap. I've melted my oils and cooled them to around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I will now add my lye solution, which is also around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to be in a well ventilated area and wear safety gear when you're making your lye. I like to put my lye solution through a sieve to make sure there is no undissolved caustic soda in the mixture. Using my stick blender, I carefully mix the oils and lye together. You want to get to trace. Trace is when the oil and lye solution have emulsified or thickened. This mixture needs to be at a light trace, as I will be adding a fragrance and colours, which can sometimes speed up the trace. I will place around 10 ounces of mixture in a separate jug. This will be for our green base. I will colour the main portion of my mix with Cerise Mica. About a teaspoon should give a nice strong colour. And in my smaller portion, I will add around half a teaspoon of Lime Spider Mica. Both of these colours are from my Mica obsession. I'm using the stick blender to incorporate the colour. I don't want my mixture to get too thick, so short bursts will be better. Now I'm going to add my fragrance. I'm using watermelon from Eroma, and I'm only placing this in the main mixture. Be sure to read the usage guides for any fragrance that you add, as they vary from company to company. I'm just going to quickly blend up my green. It needs to be at a light trace so we can pour it into the bottom of the moulds. I'm using a silicone mould. This is perfect for soap making as they're very easy to unmold when the soap's ready. I'm going to place a small layer of the green on the bottom of each mould. You'll need to bang this mould down to make sure the mixture is level and to get any air bubbles out as well. I'm going to transfer the main mixture into a smaller jug. It's much easier to use. Again, you need to bang down the mould. Be careful not to spill the soap though. This mixture has enough left for 2 guest-sized soaps. I'm just using a silicone mould so they're easy to pop out. Just place a layer of green on the bottom and then put the rest of the pink on the top, making sure that you bang down each time to make sure there's no air bubbles. To make a texture on top of your soap, I'm just using a paddle pop stick. You could easily use a spoon or a wooden skewer. Just move the top of the soap around and it gives a nice pattern and a bit of interest to your soap. I spray the top of my soaps with alcohol spray. This helps prevent soda ash. I've put mine in a spray bottle, just makes it so much easier. Now they're ready to place in a warmed oven to set. They'll take around 12 to 24 hours before they'll be ready to unmold. Hi everyone, it's been 24 hours and time to unmold the soap. Gently pull the sides of the silicone mould. This will help with releasing them. They have a great texture on top and really lovely and smooth around the sides. The contrast between the green and the pink looks amazing. I really enjoyed making these soaps. I hope it's inspired you to make your very own cold process soap. Thanks for watching.